JSW AMG Motor India expands its network in Bengaluru *. Inaugurates a brand new showroom in Yelahanka *. With 14 touchpoints in Bengaluru, car buyers can have more access to AMG sales and after-sales *. Bengaluru, 14th August, 2025, JSW AMG Motor India inaugurated a new state-of-the-art showroom in Bengaluru urban. Built over an area of 7,000 sq ft with 7 cars layout area, the newly inaugurated showroom will have the futuristic and technologically advanced product lineup of AMG at display. Car buyers can experience the popular models like AMG Hector, Aster, Gloster and acclaimed EV lineup Comet, ZS EV and India's best-selling Windsor EV at AMG Artha Cars, SY No-985, Kogalu Cross Service Road, Yelahanka, Bengaluru. The expansion of JSW AMG Motor India's network aligns with its strategic vision to offer the exceptional overall buying and ownership experience. With this inauguration, the company now has 14 touchpoints in the state of Karnataka. Commenting on the occasion, Anurag Mehrotra, Managing Director, JSW AMG Motor India, said, "We are delighted to expand our network in Karnataka, which continues to be one of our most important markets, accounting for a significant share of our overall sales. With a new showroom in Bengaluru, we aim to bring our customers even closer to AMG's unique blend of futuristic products and a customer-centric approach that ensures a seamless sales and after-sales experience." The inauguration also coincides with AMG Motors' 6th anniversary in India, a journey that began in 2019 with the launch of the AMG Hector and has since expanded to include popular models like the AMG Aster, AMG ZS EV, AMG Gloster, AMG Windsor and now the AMG Windsor Pro. To mark the milestone, limited period offers are being extended across select models, including the Hector and Aster, making advanced technology and premium SUVs more accessible to a wider audience. Speaking at the launch, Nikita Paramesh, dealer principal, AMG Artha Cars, said, "We are proud to partner with JSW AMG Motor India."
We have a slogan in our corporate office that says, "Creating exciting experiences every day." What I have seen today, I can tell you, it was the most exciting thing for me for a long time. For the team for next year, we have problem here. Actually, for organizing this, I have never been to close to about 200 stores that we get across. But this is the most exciting thing that I've seen for support area. Thank you so much for doing it. This call was absolutely stunning. To the team from sales and service, my only request, yes, the product is good, yes, we get all the support from sales and service. But one thing that I'm requesting of you is live up to the promise. There is what was us for us, meaning, right? Meaning, but meaning of our stores should be that anyone who walks into the store should be treated by God, be treated like a member of my family. Right? Your family. Which is anyone walking in, you replace their face with a member of your family, your father or your mother, and then you treat them with the same respect, dignity, and gratitude. And you will find you will not have a problem in life. Whether they buy a car from us or not doesn't matter. They should walk out of saying, "Hey, these are a bunch of people who are very, very nice to deal with." Right? That's the request I have of our team. If our customer, we will promise the same. You will be treated like a member of our family. You will be treated like God. So thank you for being with us. And Nikita and Parmeshwar, thank you so much for the continued journey with us. Thank you.